ya kani ka machine la play do ba el hang menteri ketan ka koi ka khia jong ka sarkar jalla ka jiran lang uba di umdo president Rotary Club of Shillong rengkat ki wei di ki dukhat ka kolom nang ta lai don lang ru ki doctor ki nurse bat ki wei ki nong trei jong ka robot hospital uba hek habakran hakani ka jelang ulahon pa ko jisok men baki kunhun kum ka Rotary Club kilami lang syahmat ban kener kti nak benta ki nong pang ki bawan sya sumar hakani hospital ukermen ru ba ka jingdon kani ka machine kan long ka jingkar khu ka bakrawi ki paidbah ki badon kam ban sumar da kini ki kor ki bor.
It is heartening to note that the Rotary Club of Shillong, which is 64 years, it is providing the hospital with a haemodialysis machine, which is being funded by the family of the Rotarians, Sngewbha, in loving memory of his late parents. This is the heartwarming and a noble gesture, and I am sure this is going to be benefit all the patients needing these facilities. I wish the Rotary Shillong the very best, and that you continue your good work to reach out to the people of the state through your commitment, visions and missions. My deepest appreciation to the doctor, staff and management of the Dr. H. Garnet Robert Hospital was serving the people with passions and compassions, with touch the missionary zeal and humanitarian approach, and hope that you will continue your work, which is blessing to so many.
Habai keren bo Dr. Meban Aibor Karkungor medicine consultant ubalapan pen haka Haemodialysis na CMC velor ulapan pau ya kajisok man baka Rotary Club of Shillong kalayarap da kani ka machine ya hospital namar bah kini kisi babun bah ki brio ki don kam ban sumar da kum kini ki kor gibor ulai thuru ba manta ka hospital ka don nyutli ki bakum kini ki machine na lor ki nyutli ki bladan lupa
te ya manta hingi don nyutli machine ngi dialysis te ka song ka kum jing don kam jing pa te how most days te ngile ko ma archive ngiyo ma khatsao adu arpongot si sngi ngila le te ha ju ko porru ngi don facility for emergency dialysis but kinong pang jongi hi ki lada ki wan steng met ne steng yong lada ki dap shidam ne ki don kam ya le ini dialysis ka shitom ka emergency mo tingila ban le lang ya kaniro hang ni hospital jongi kini kesnem ko la let ni la ban le hadu lai hajar lai spa saupo sen dialysis to average around kumba lai spa tam shibnai te haba ong lai spa tam kamut uju brio na kamut lai spa ngut ki brio te kamut kumba saupo san phongot ye gila man yo jingira na ni dialysis hakne ka center jungi manta namar bakla yat baga MHS kini ka phase 4 jongka state government ikiman sikat dai ba na kinongpang kala pensting kinongpang then re don pat ki brio ki bom long eligible ne ki bom shim dakwa ban yo jing mentoy na MHS te yaki ngi charge kumba ngi charge hajar kandai spa season le mo da package system aga jo por ya ki ba khamdok ki bom la ban sio te ngi charge khatlai spa sanpho season le te kani mo ka cover lang ya by le dialysis ka by doctor by technician ka by tiar by tanna ka benta kani ka session of dialysis ru hendai menta babun balang hi gila le bi ka MHS te komot kim dan kam shu hi ban COA na benta ka dialysis hendai hakipor ba kadon ke interruption ng scheme to before long ni